Red Bull KTM has unveiled its 2025 MotoGP teams, marking the manufacturer's ninth season in the championship. The KTM RC16 will return to the MotoGP field with an ambitious strategy aimed at building on the team's previous successes, including 7 Grand Prix wins and 2 sprint wins. This year, KTM has assembled its strongest lineup to date, bringing together world-class talent from Italy, Spain, and South Africa to challenge for top honors in 2025. The Red Bull KTM Factory Racing and Red Bull KTM Tech3 teams will feature some of the most experienced and successful riders in the sport, with a total of 5 World Championships and 72 career wins between them. KTM's goal is to improve its race results and secure further victories, as they continue to grow their presence in the sport. The 2025 Red Bull KTM Factory Racing lineup. For the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing team, the 2025 season will feature 2 standout riders, Brad Binder and Pedro Acosta. Binder, 29 years old from South Africa, enters his 6th season in MotoGP. Known for his consistency, he has finished in the top 6 in the standings for the last 4 seasons, including top 5 finishes in the past 2 years. Binder remains a core figure in the KTM team and will continue to help lead the charge for the manufacturer. His experience is invaluable as KTM pushes for more victories. Joining him for his 2nd season in MotoGP is Pedro Acosta, 20 years old from Spain. Acosta, after an impressive rookie year in 2024 where he finished 6th overall with 5 podiums, is poised to make even greater strides in 2025. He is the youngest rider on the grid and has swiftly progressed through the ranks of the Red Bull MotoGP Academy, making the leap from Moto3 to MotoGP. Acosta's development in the top tier will be crucial for KTM's future, and his partnership with Binder is expected to create a strong, competitive team for the upcoming season. The 2025 Red Bull KTM Tech3 lineup. KTM's satellite team, Red Bull KTM Tech3, will also feature a powerful rider pairing for 2025, Enea Bastianini and Maverick Viñales. Bastianini, 27 years old from Italy, has been a consistent performer in MotoGP. He ended the 2024 season in 4th place with 2 wins and 9 podiums. Having reached the podium at least once in every season of his MotoGP career, Bastianini brings a wealth of experience and confidence to the Tech3 squad. His steady rise through the MotoGP ranks will make him a key figure in KTM's challenge for podiums in 2025. Maverick Viñales, 30 years old from Spain, is a MotoGP veteran with 26 wins to his name. Viñales is the only rider in the current MotoGP field to have won races with 3 different manufacturers, showcasing his versatility and skill. In 2024, he finished 7th in the standings, with a notable victory at the Red Bull Grand Prix of the Americas. Viñales brings significant experience and race-winning pedigree to the Tech3 team, and his partnership with Bastianini is expected to elevate the team's performance in 2025. KTM's strategic goals for 2025. As part of its ongoing commitment to success, KTM's primary goal for the 2025 MotoGP season is to improve its race starts and qualifying performance. Both Binder and Acosta, as well as Bastianini and Viñales, have recognized these areas as key to achieving stronger results in the upcoming season. In 2024, Acosta notably struggled during qualifying but demonstrated significant pace in the races, indicating that improving in these areas will be essential for his and the team's success. The focus will be on getting the KTM RC16 off the line quickly and maintaining competitive pace throughout the entire race. The KTM MotoGP teams are also determined to continue developing the KTM RC16 to become even more competitive. Factory racing manager Aki Aho and Tech3 manager Nicolas Goyen have both expressed their excitement for the new season, emphasizing the importance of their experienced rider lineup and the development of the bike. KTM's commitment to continuous improvement is evident in their work during the off-season to enhance both rider performance and machine setup. KTM's confidence and team spirit. With a strong group of riders and dedicated staff, KTM is confident that 2025 will be a pivotal season. Motorsport director Pit Beirer has highlighted KTM's determination to make significant progress, not only in MotoGP but also across other motorsport disciplines like Dakar and AMA Supercross, where KTM has already seen success. The company's positive energy and passion for competition are at the forefront of their efforts, with the entire team focusing on achieving their goals. This sense of excitement and ambition extends beyond the riders, as KTM continues to work hard behind the scenes to ensure the RC16 is competitive at every race. The road to the 2025 MotoGP season. The 2025 MotoGP preseason begins with the first IRTA test at the Sepang International Circuit in Malaysia, from February 5 to 7, 2025. This will be followed by the official launch event in Bangkok on February 9. The second IRTA test will take place in Buriram, Thailand, from February 12 to 13, leading into the season opener at the Thai Grand Prix, scheduled for February 28 to March 2, 2025. KTM's riders will be eager to hit the track, fine-tune their machines, and kick off the season with a strong performance in the opening rounds. With an impressive lineup and a focused approach, KTM is poised to take on the 2025 MotoGP season with high hopes of securing top results.